So you want to replace your fuel filter on your 94 Ranger, huh? Personally got the XLT model, and it's a lot further forward than you might think. Basically gotta crawl up right underneath where it's tripping. Getting underneath, look for the frame rail and find the 2 bolts right here. They're really close together, right by the arm. What you're gonna want to do is look on the far side. As you can see, that's where the fuel filter is. Somebody bent my bracket, presumably because the bolts could not come out anymore. That's what happens with age, you know. On northern vehicles. Let me get you in a better position. Alright, so as you can see, we got our bracket, fuel filters right behind there. Feed from the tank, feed there on. If I reach down and find my replacement, see it came with some plastic tabs on it, and of course the arrow telling you which way to put it. So we need to put it with the seam of the filter facing the engine, so that way it goes in properly. I do have some pliers, which I'll try to push that clip out with. Apparently these pliers are a little rusty. That's fun. There we go. Now we can dump some fuel on the ground. Yeah. There it is. Gotta get our other one. You can see it's not stopping. Oh goodness. Doing so good, guys. There. Easy, right? Easy. I'm just having a little trouble. There it is. Getting over the little knurling like that one has, see? But I got it. And that's some cold fuel on my hand. Jeez Louise. Oh, I'm just going to use the original clip. And that could probably still leak. So, it's just going to take a minute. And then when I pull that cap off, it's going to start leaking on me. Well, stop it. That's not good. Yep. I got another clamp up here. Let's see if that helps at all. And are you ready? And I dropped the clip. I'm gonna pull the rubber off. Oh, there we go. It's in there. It's all well and good. Could bend that back, but as you can see, it doesn't look like it's gonna make much of a difference. It's rotted enough. Alrighty, your old filter's still gonna have gas in it. Oh, look how dirty that is. Alright, we got the fuel filter. About to see how dirty it is. Remember, this side's the end. I got the flow going this way, so this will show you how dirty the fuel filter is. As you can see, it's a little dark. Fuel coming out this side, then that side. Look at that. That is probably a little clogged. I'll stop dumping fuel everywhere. When you turn your car on, just turn it off a few times. It'll help prime the fuel pump, get all the air out of the system. Alright, and then finally pushing the clutch. you go. That easy. One thing I'm trying to get rid of is my delay, which that might have been it. I might have just had a clogged fuel filter to get rid of the delay in my throttle pedal. I mean, you saw how dirty that gas was. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go get lunch.